Peep challenge. So I'm gonna go, actually now I'm going to switch out bluegill fishing. Bass do not seem to like peeps. Come on, you fish. Oh look, my marshmallow's in the water. And still nothing wants them. That is just sad. That's just really sad. I feel... Can I eat a peep? Oh, sweet.
Yeah, peep while you're fishing.
Yeah.
You gotta go, we don't have much time.
So fluffy. At my house, I have 3 chickens and like 5 more.
This is ridiculous.
Oh, I love peeps. I'm just gonna eat this bunny rabbit's ear for the bluegill.
You ready?
Put a worm in half, and its butt and its head came to life. And I called him Squirmy the Double Wormy. Original butt.
You gotta hit it.
Let's just catch something. That's way too far. Bluegill did not go that too far. I ate Squirm the worm. I already named a worm Squirm. Next worm I'm gonna name Bob the Mob. Yeah. I'm gonna catch something with nothing on my line. It's gonna be epic. Okay, that is nuts. Oh my gosh, I thought something was trying to eat nothing. Like, that is a weird fish. I will leave you alone. Yeah, I agree. And the worm surprisingly lives. Yay, I caught something. I caught a worm, everybody. Dad, can we weigh what I just caught? It's a worm. Okay. Blue. Fisherman. Ha ha ha. Something has it! Oh, dude, something had it. I know what it did. Yeet. And it got punched. Oh, something has it. Come on, take it. Now! Yep. Like crazy. I am cold. Oh, Dad, something has it. Something entirely has it.
We've got 15 minutes. We gotta catch at least one fish.
Ah! That was in my lucky spot, bro. The fish finally shows up. It's gonna get a real boo-boo. Yes, it is. Well, no, when it comes up, it's gonna go banging off this wall. Well, if I'm right, should I reel it in? Yeah. Okay, here. What happened? Oh my gosh. Oh no. The lipless crankbait. That was only our second one. We have one more. And maybe this might be the return of the dad who swam in the pond. Phase 2. Bro. I'm telling you, it's way too small. Goodbye, baby wormy. I can guarantee you, as soon as the fish bites, it's gonna be gone. And it's gone. Little baby Pikachu. Let's see who would want to mess with the fat worm. Fatty the worm. Something has it. It's doing a cartwheel. Okay, I'm just gonna get it. I'm not gonna lose Fatty the worm. The only way I'm gonna lose him is to a fish that comes out on dry land. Only the bravest fish goes for Fatty the wormy. Speedo. Aw, man. I'm like, oh, Speedo. Aw, man. I'll do it. I get first one of the year. He's a small one though. Who cares? Told you that was my lucky spot. Let's bring her up.
See what we got. Oh, I said 0.1. So they said.
That's a crappy fish.
Oh, we'll throw it back out. We got 0.1.
Should I get a peep? Yes,
Get a peep. Go get yourself a peep.
Something already has it. Sneak a peep. Catch fish for a free peep. So if you catch a peep, go down to the nearest peep store and say, I caught a fish. Have you seen Gregory's video? I need a peep because I caught a fish. And they'll be like, sure, I have a free peep. It's the easiest way to get free peeps. So all I have to do is get like a... Dad, if I catch another fish, will I get another peep? Cha! Come here, you fish. It's the same exact fish. It's the same fish who came for more of Fatty the worm. Like 1 ounce of fish. I'm just my dad's 2 pounds. That was good.
1 ounce.
Again.
Alright, cast it back out.
A dead fish. I'm gonna go try and catch the same exact fish again. Like right there, I'm gonna catch it. 5 minutes, folks. We've got 2 ounces of fish, which is really sad. My dad needs to pull off a bass. Dad, you hear that? You need to pull off a big, huge bass for us. Okay, so I was thinking of letting Fatty go into the wild, but it's kind of much useless because he's already pretty much done for. Probably be eaten in like 2 seconds, so. Just literally just gonna let that. Cha! Cha! Ah! Ah!
Nice.
Oh, this one's a big one.
We gotta measure that. We gotta weigh that up. Let's get that on the scale.
Is it bloody? Oh, Dad, this is a new one! Dang.
Scale pound today. Nice. Oh, that's a good one.
We need 58 ounces on this thing and we get a pound. You should make sure. Now let's put down our rods for a moment of silence.
Ready?
It's a sad day for Fatty.
He's still in there. You see him? See him still in there? The worm's still in there?
Fatty! It's Fatty! You're not dead! What happened to the dentist? Force it to...
He wants the peeps?
Yeah, he wants the peeps. Give him a peep. Do you want me to give... Can I give him a peep, Dad? For being a good patient.
Little piece. Want to give him a peep? No,
Hold it open.
Peep. The little peep. We'll see if the little bluegill likes a little piece of peep. Put it in there. Feed it in there. See that he like peeps? Let's go see if he survives. At least we find him a piece of peep.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Okay.
That's gonna be awesome.
Well, what do you estimate that was?
Well, we got close to a pound today. We got Gregory caught, Gregory caught 3 bluegill, close to a pound. We didn't make our goal, but you know what?
Who cares? We got to feed a fish a peep. And I did not touch the fish. I can tell you that. I just like... Hope you enjoyed the peep. And that's it for today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends.